see them wedges moving?
Oh, yeah. He's not going to have to pound those too much before it goes.
Nope, just tighten her up.
He's going right. It's just about going. Yep. The maple's going to go with it. It's not far from going. There she goes. Okay, everybody out of the way. There she goes. And there goes the maple.